Huh, this is the place. Hey! Emily from Living Plantfully.
Hey.
It's time for your 73 questions interview. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do this. Come on in. Come
thanks.
on, girls. Come on, come on. Welcome, welcome.
Awesome vegan kitchen. This is the set, just like on your videos.
Yeah.
So just some basic questions to start off with. So Emily, how old exactly are you?
I am 24 years young, baby.
How long have you been a vegan?
Exactly 2 years.
What made you go vegan in the first place?
You're gonna have to check out my vegan story. Link it right here.
So what's your favorite holiday?
Christmas. Can you tell?
Yeah, definitely. Favorite season?
Fall.
Fall, autumn? I'm more of a summer guy. Favorite place in the world?
Home.
Where is home right now?
Italia.
I thought you would be a lot taller since your videos. How tall are you exactly?
Oh, I'm a staggering 5'2".
Nice. What is the best thing that has happened to you this past year?
All right, this past year I started my YouTube.
Okay. What's your New Year's resolution for 2018?
To continue my YouTube.
Awesome. You made us some hot chocolate.
Vegan hot chocolate with vegan marshmallows.
What's your favorite form of exercise?
Weightlifting.
Weightlifting. So you can not only get down in the kitchen, but you can get down in the gym too.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Lucky man your husband is. Best way to decompress?
Definitely going on a super long run.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
Just one.
Sister or a brother?
A sister.
Younger or older than you?
I'm the baby.
Whew. Nice hot chocolate. It's real cold outside.
Yeah.
Country you wish to visit?
Probably India.
What makes you smile the most in life?
My husband.
What's your favorite number?
Número dos.
Okay. What is the cutest thing in the world?
Baby animals.
Baby animals, especially those baby tigers. What sign are you in the zodiac?
The best sign ever. Obviously, I'm a Libra.
Libra suck. Scorpios all the way. Sorry. Anyway, what's one thing you hate?
Liars.
Liars. One thing you love?
Food.
As we can tell. What's your biggest fear in life?
To be alone.
Okay. What's your favorite sitcom of all time?
Friends.
What was the movie that made you cry?
The Notebook.
If you could make one change in the world, what would it be?
I would get rid of animal cruelty.
If you could have one superpower, what would that be?
I would want to time travel.
Ooh, time travel.
Yeah.
What is one skill set that you still need to master?
Photography.
What is the best thing that has happened to you today?
Today, I woke up this morning.
That's an optimistic viewpoint. Do you like surprises?
It depends.
What's one hidden talent?
One hidden talent. Well, step into my office. Interior design.
Oh wow, this is a really beautiful room.
Thank you, thank you.
Any tattoos?
Nope.
Okay. Any piercings?
Just my ears.
What's your favorite dessert?
Favorite dessert is pastries.
Is there a dessert that you don't like?
Marzipan. Ugh.
What's your favorite restaurant?
Soul Green here in Milan, Italy.
What's your favorite type of food?
Definitely like Asian food.
It's brunch time. What do you make to eat?
Oh, tofu scramble.
You're stuck on an island and you can only pick one food to eat forever. What is it?
That's so easy. Sushi.
Favorite color?
Well, it used to be purple, but here lately, I don't really know.
Favorite superhero?
Batman.
I like soups. What do you usually order in Starbucks?
I live in Italy. There's no Starbucks here.
Okay, so how do you like coffee?
With barely any coffee in it.
Heels or flats?
Oh, definitely heels.
Okay, I see your selection there.
Yeah.
What's the next book you plan on reading?
Does the Hot for Food cookbook count? Because, yeah, that's definitely going to be it.
Oh, for sure. Shouts out Lauren Toyota. Who's your best friend?
My best friend? Well, female, my sister, and male, my husband.
Okay, so who's someone that you look up to?
My mom.
Dark chocolate or milk chocolate?
Well, since most milk chocolate is not vegan, I'm going to have to go with dark chocolate on that one.
Good choice. Sweet or savory?
Well, I like cooking savory food, but I'm definitely a sweet tooth person, as you can tell.
Favorite music genre?
Favorite music genre? I don't have one.
Least favorite music genre?
Probably like heavy metal or something.
Okay. Who's your favorite music artist?
Childish Gambino.
Gambino is a mastermind. Never mind.
Yeah.
If you could master one instrument, what would it be?
I would master the guitar.
If you had a tattoo, since you don't, where would you place it?
I'd probably place it right here on my wrist.
Okay. iPhone or Android?
I don't have it on me, but definitely iPhone.
Dogs or cats?
Is
Self-explanatory.
that even a question?
What's your favorite fruit?
Pineapple.
What's your favorite word?
Literally is literally my favorite word.
Diamonds or pearls?
Diamonds are a girl's best friend.
What's something that makes you feel, let's say, nostalgic?
The Little Mermaid.
Creamy or crunchy peanut butter?
Creamy all day.
Creamy all day. I'm an almond butter guy. Ever broken any bones?
Yeah. My thumb and my tailbone.
Ouch. One thing you can't live without?
One thing that I cannot live without, my family.
Okay. What's one thing you could never, ever give up?
My babies. I love these girls. Right?
What's your first language? You seem from a different ethnic background than your typical traditional American, I guess you could say.
Yes, my first language is actually Spanish.
Okay. What's your favorite song right now?
Right now, at the moment, Una Lady by Manuel Turizo.
Do you have a morning beauty ritual?
I don't know, does brushing my teeth count?
What's your favorite thing to wear?
A smile.
Beautiful for sure. What's the priciest thing you have ever splurged on?
Probably this baby right here, my Vitamix blender.
A Vitamix. I gotta get one of those. I've heard all about them. Is it worth it?
Yeah, totally worth it, 100%.
Do you play any musical instruments?
No, not anymore.
What's some advice for someone that's, say, stepping into the vegan lifestyle or wants to go vegan?
I would say definitely do your research.
What is something you want everybody to know if you could pick one thing in the world?
I want everyone to know that I'm not ever going to give up. All right, get out of here.
Okay. Yeah, I guess our time's up.
Yep.
See you later, girls.
Say bye, girls.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Emily.
Bye. I really hope that you enjoyed this first video of 2018. Today marks exactly 1 year since I started my YouTube, so I figured that I would do a special video so that you guys can kind of get to know me a little bit better. And thank you all for subscribing to my channel, and if you have not yet, go ahead and do so, like this video, and I will see you guys next week.